college to learn a profession so you can make money and earn a living. The problem is, while you do learn something, you only learn about a profession, a technical skill. Nobody tells you how to identify a common problem, find a solution, and grow a business. I wanted to use the example of college to illustrate to you that millions of people pay extremely high amounts of money to learn how to work in a profession they might never use. Yes, there's a promise that if you graduate from college, you have skills that will earn you money in the marketplace. However, the reality that many graduates face is how difficult it really can be to find a well-paying job in the current overly saturated job market. Instead, many people end up seeking out entrepreneurship as a solution to survive. I believe that entrepreneurship is the only path to true financial freedom. It is the path I have chosen and it works for me. Now, I want to show you the business and system that I use that has helped me make money in one of the best niches in the world. A market that moves over $1 billion every single day. All you need to do is have the desire to become an entrepreneur and do the work it takes to succeed. You don't even need experience or a lot of money to invest in your business either. In fact, you don't have to spend a ton of time working, and you can do it right from home. With this proven money-making system, you will learn how to build a business from the ground up, whatever your idea for the business is. Plus, you will also learn all about a new business that is ready for you today. All you have to do is get it set up and you can start earning a solid income right away. If you want to know more about this amazing business opportunity, please click on the link above or below this video to get started.